Fine. So we are continuing the same session. Here we are reading inequalities, like how to deal with open and closed intervals. So here second example we have taken. Second example is 2 less equals x and x is less equals 7. So beta, first we will draw a line and we know how to write it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now beta here 2 is less equals x. Beta here equality sign is there. Equality sign is there. Since equality sign is there, that means x can either be equal to 2 or x can be greater than 2. So these are two possibilities. Whenever it is written that x is greater equals to, that means you have two possibilities. One possibility is x can either be equal to 2 or x is a number which is greater than 2. So beta, that means whenever this sign will be there, na, here you make two circle, here you are going to make circle, on 7 you are going to make. But here since sign of equality is there, you will be coloring it. Color this one. And after coloring this one, what you are going to do? You are going to that means now which numbers you can include? Now here number included will be x belongs to closed interval 2 because 2 is closed. So this black coloring is there. Now it is including that, okay, 2 can be included. 2 can be included. 3 can be included. 4 can be included. 5, 6. But 7 is exactly out of range. So since 7 is exactly out of range, we can directly write it can go 2 to 7, but 7 will not be included. So what symbol for 7 we will write? We will write open interval for 7. What symbol for 7 we will write? We will write open interval for 7. I hope my children understood what you are going to write there. Understood, beta? Very good. So everyone is telling understood. Good. So now beta, look here. Next one we will be doing, we will again write -1. So that means what? From -1 to 5, all numbers will be there. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how to represent it, beta? We will represent it as closed interval -1. That means x will be taking -1, but x will not be taking 5. So if x is not taking 5, we will say that, okay, x will not include 5. So what will be present inside set x? X will be exactly either 1, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But 5 will never be the answer. 5 will never be the answer. Means x can be any one of this element. X can be -1, x can be 0, x can be 1, x can be 2, x can be 3, x can be 4. But x cannot be 5. Why? Because here inequality sign is given for only -1. 5 is open. Since 5 is open, so we will only include numbers between -1 to this much. But exact 5 will not be included. But exact 5 will not be included. I hope my children understood this one. Kiti, Maya, Bhumi, Anila, Daneshwari, everyone understood, beta? Quickly say understood. Super, very good. Yes, everyone is understanding. Good. So beta, now next type. How to write next time? Beta, look at this is exactly indication of closed interval. This is closed open. And this is open, or you can give it with, these are exactly closed interval. This is closed open, this is both open, this is open closed. Okay, so this sign is exactly giving closed, closed. This bracket is open. Either you say open like this or you say open like this. This is open and this is closed. For element, how these element will be present inside this beta? Look here. Here -3 to 3. That means for closed element. That means x belongs to closed interval -3 to 3. Here one very important point is here, beta, both -3 and 3 will be included, because you see here down sign is this one. Na? So this sign is sign of equality. This sign down is sign of equality. So that means x can either be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That means x can be either of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so x can be either of these elements. I repeat, x can be either of these elements. Now here beta, that's why it is written as all closed. Then how to write it in graph? Sorry, how to represent? So it will be exactly -3 will be here, then -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now beta, here both will be colored. And then you will be saying, okay, auntie, all these elements will be inside. Okay, so now I hope something you might have both colored beta, both circle colored, correct Saranya? So both circle will be colored when you will see down this equal to sign. This sign is sign of equality. And how to read it as? Now look here. In recording, you hear it one more time. X is greater equals -3. Means x is greater equals. X is greater equals. Means x is either greater than -3 or x is equal to -3. And next one beta, x is less than 3 or x is equal to 3. So both possibilities are there. So when down sign equal to will be there, at that time, all element will be included. But you see here, this is telling closed open. This is case of closed open. Look here, this sign is sign of close and this sign is sign of open. Okay, so closed open. So when closed and open we are saying, then let's take one example. X can be -3 closed and 3. In this case, can you tell me which element will be inside? -3 will be there, -2 will be there, -1 will be there, 0 will be there, 1 will be there, 2 will be there. Okay, 3 will not be there. 3 will till 2, correct Anila? 3 will not be there, beta, because from that side it is open. From that side it is open. So you will write how? You will say, auntie, then how to write this one? Then you will write it as x belongs to closed interval -3, but from 3 side it is open. So when 3 side it is open, that means it is not including. When 3 side it is open, that means what? It is not including beta. Just give me 1 minute, huh? That means what beta? It is exactly open from that side. Nishika, Riyan ka bhar do attendance. So beta, closed from -3 and open from 3. So 3 is not included. So that's why beta, closed 3, -3 and open 3. I hope you might have understood. Understood beta, everyone? Daneshri understood? Danish understood? Saranya, Kritika, all my children understood? Arvind understood? Pavitra understood? Very good. Anila understood? Kirti, Maya, Kritika. Super beta. This is what I need. Work as a team. It is not like I will only focus on 1-2 children. I will focus on all. Higher classes means teacher has to be impartial and teacher has to look everyone from one single spect, which I am wearing right now. Jokes apart. Let's go to work beta. Now look here. This is open beta. Both open. So strictly it will come -3. For third one I am discussing. -3 to 3. So beta, when you will draw that, when you will be drawing it, it will become -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That means beta, here no down sign, equality sign is there. That means this circle will be not colored, this circle will be not colored. That means what? All internal element will only be included. All internal element will only be included. So if only internal element will be included, that means what this set will be having? From -2 it will start, -1, 0, 2. Very good. So beta minus 2 to 2 it will be there. Thank you, Kritika. So minus 2 to 2 will be there. And beta, but at the time of writing, you will write x belongs to open interval minus 3 to 3. So when you are writing like this, or x belongs to open interval minus 3 to 3, like this also you can write. That means what? X is not ready to take minus 3 and x is not ready to take 3. I hope my children understood. Quickly tell. Till this, everybody understood? Okay, very good. Very good, everyone. Okay, I'm seeing your response in the chat box. So if you are saying yes, I'm seeing that you are saying yes. So if you will say yes, I will proceed. If any doubt will be there, just say N, I will explain one more time. Now, beta, look here. Last one is minus 3, open, 2, 3. Now, this time my children will tell what will be the number inside it. I will not say. Now my children will say what will be the number inside it. Can anybody tell me better what will be the number inside it? Post your answers. Tell me your answers. Very good, Kritika. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct. Pavitra, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Why not 3, Pavitra? Because equality sign is here. 3 is having equality sign, beta. Anila, minus 2. Again, Anila is also telling 3 will not be there. Why 3 will not be there? Okay, Pavitra, 3 will be there. Look here, beta. Here, equality sign is there. Now, so when equality sign will be there, that means the number in from the number line, you are going to write minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then this minus 3 will not be there because here equality sign is not there. So this number is out of family now. So only this will be there. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct only. Saranya is correct. Bhumika is correct. Okay, everybody is correct. Understood, everyone? So this is exactly beta the symbols through which we are representing open and closed interval. Okay, Kritika understood. Anila said, didn't see question. Okay, fine, no problem, beta. Kritima is saying she understood. Look here, look here, look here. These are very, very important symbols which you are going to use now. From now onwards, you have to learn to live with these type of symbols. And I will make these things easy for you. Just note down and revise it. So let's get ready, beta, for next part. So empty set, I hope all my children understood. Empty set means when a set will not have any element inside it, it will be no problem, beta. Mistakes are happening. See, look here. We are human and we are learning from our mistake. Okay, yes, beta. That is what. But one thing is there, you will be doing crime by telling auntie, I have understood if you have not understood. You have the full right to ask. Once you are in the team, means you are a team member. And never bother what your friends will think. Your friends will not be setting your career. Okay, I was the very roughest person. Even my sir will be listening this in YouTube sometimes. Then he will be knowing, he will be telling this girl was very adamant. If she was not understanding, she was hooking to that point. I was hooking to that point that I have not understood. Not understood means not understood. Till you will not clear my doubt, I will not move one single step ahead than that. Yes. And for that only I was learning now. Then only I got state rank. Otherwise, it was difficult for me to get state rank. Until and unless your concepts are not clear, nobody can give you that rank. You have to represent yourself in the paper. Fine. So now start fighting. Let your friend answer. If you're not understanding, I will answer. Okay, that attitude has to be there. Correct, Kritika? Yes, Kritika. Once you will not understand, you have the right to ask. Adit, ask beta if you will not understand, because this is a very important point I'm talking. Now I think we are in singleton set. Singleton set. Single, as the word suggests, single means only one element should be inside. How many elements should be inside, beta? Only one element should be inside. How many elements should be inside? only one element. Like if any set is having only one element, the set will be saying, look me, I'm having only one element. Now any set which is exactly having any one element, this type of set is called as singleton set. Singleton set means only one element. Empty set means no element inside it. Empty set means I will be empty. Either I will be representing as curly bracket, what Adit said, curly bracket, or it will be like this. So always this will be represented as empty set. What it will be represented, beta? It will always be representing empty set. Singleton set means a set having one element in it. A set having one element in it is called singleton set. A set having one element in it is called as singleton set. What it is called as, beta? It is called as singleton set. Singleton set. Singleton set. Now, beta, I'm giving you one example in set builder form. Set builder form says that X such that, that means this is Khushbu auntie, X is Khushbu auntie, and Khushbu auntie is telling, I am belonging to class 11 student, and that class 11 student is natural number, means I will be giving all the children number 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then in general I am telling, okay, I am going to come between 1 and 3. Then tell me, what is Khushbu auntie's number? What is Khushbu auntie's number? Auntie is coming between 1 and 3. 2. Very good. So that means, beta, how many element is present inside the set? Only one answer will come for this, and that is 2. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Only one element is coming. Very good. Since the set is having only one element, it will be called as what, beta? Singleton set or empty set? It will be called what? Singleton set or empty set? Singleton set. Very good. Very good. It will be called as singleton set. Let's play one more game. B is equal to X such that X belongs to set of whole number and X is equal to X square is equal to 4. Now tell me, is it a singleton set? Correct, it is a singleton set. But beta, I will explain how it will be singleton set. Let me explain how it will be singleton set, beta. What you are going to do? You will write X square is equal to 4. Then what process I told you? Put square root on both sides. When you will put square root on both sides, that means what, beta? It will be exactly this square root, and square will be representing modulus. So now it will become modulus of X. And this side is exactly 4. 4 square root will be written as 2 into 2. That means 1, 2 came out, and this is modulus of X. Now once the modulus of X will be resolved, it will be written plus minus 2. Now X is exactly either 2 and X is equal to minus 2. Now among this, which one you will keep inside? Which number you will keep inside? You will say, auntie, only 2 I will keep inside. You know why I will 2 keep inside? Because only 2 belongs to whole number, and minus 2 does not belongs to whole number, auntie. Since minus 2 does not belongs to whole number, minus 2 is not the answer. So only 2 belongs to whole number. So 2 is the only answer. I hope my children understood today singleton set. Okay, Saranya, Kritika, I understood. Understood, beta? Everyone understood? Okay. So my children are telling they have understood this concept. So what we are going to do again, tomorrow we are going to meet there. I will teach another types of sets. So here this one you revise because these things are new for you. You need. So beta from the beginning, yesterday's 2 videos and today's 2 video, if you will see, you will note down the note, you will be understanding how to write, how, because whatever I'm telling now, just listen to my words from there, you will be able to capture the part. And after that also, if you are unable to understand, quickly call me, auntie, emergency, I'm not understanding. Please first you do my work, auntie will do your work. Fine. Okay. Bye everyone. Soon class will be now, the moment class will be over, you will be getting the recording beta.